To select the object, you can click. And if you want to select multiple objects, you can press Shift button, hold, and then you can select the other object. As default, the Blender set selection into box selection. Like in it, we create the box selection. And if you go into selection tools, click, hold, there are 4 options. First, tweak. It means you can select the object one by one, like this, or you can press Shift button to select multiple. And the second, select box. This is the default. You can create the box selection like this. And then for the third, select circle. So to be show for the circle in your cursor, you can click, hold, and then move into the object to select. And the last, you can use the lasso selection. It will be create lasso like this. The other option, you also can use scan collection to select the object. You can go to the right bar and you can see we have the collection. First object is scan, second cube, the third cylinder, and then the fourth gear. If you want to select multiple, you can press Control button, hold, and then you can select at this object.